Good morning, everybody. Well, we've got the truck back. All of the recalls are done. We are getting ready to put the camper back on the truck. That means we're about ready to hit the road. Scotty is over here. Aja put the cover on inside out.
Inside out.
So we are going to go ahead and flip it over for her, just so it does what it's supposed to do during the winter. There's some vents on these things that need to go the right way. So we're going to flip this over, get it back onto Panda, and get it all tied down so if we have some wind, it doesn't go flying off like a kite.
It's a nice day to do this.
Yeah, so. Beautiful day. Oh my gosh. It's all nice and blue sky. So once we get that done, then we're going to get the camper back on the truck.
It's all you get, Aja. Until next year. Then we'll take it apart. Time to take the license plate off the truck, put it on the camper. That means no more driving the truck without the plate on, so camper's got to go on to drive it.
Alright, I just went out and picked my last cutting of my bay leaf tree before we get on the road. I've got just a little couple sprigs left of the dried herbs that my friend Patricia brought me when she came to the meetup, which I will miss those because those are really yummy to cook with. And some people have asked me about my new canisters that are sitting on the counter. You guys are all so observant of what's in my camper and what's not. And a few of you guys have noticed that we have new backsplash. So my canisters, I will show you how I did these, and I'll show you guys some more of the updates in the camper that we've done. Okay, we're gonna put the truck on the camper. No, we're gonna put the camper on the truck. It's getting kind of exciting.
All right, plugged in for 4 months. It's time to lift the camper, put it on the pickup truck, get on the road. Thanks for hanging with us. I'm ready to go. Beautiful day. I'll unhook the power and let's lift her up. Okay, this is the onboard part that hooks to the truck, but I need to be able to back it in without interfering with it. So I'm going to bring the truck over, lined up.
doing. We've got wheel wells in here. We're real close to that one, and we're real far from that one. So you have to kind of keep going back and forth till you get her in there right.
Back up a little more.
So you always just want to take your time. Okay, I'll stand on this side and watch this. And you've got to make sure you don't run into your lines here. Okay, you're scraping on something. So it just takes a little bit of adjusting and constantly getting out, and
This is why we don't take it on and off when we park places. But this is a very uneven place, so that's part of it.
yeah, we are, you guys probably can't tell, but we are on a pretty good slope here. People who came for the meetup, they know exactly what's going on here. So basically you just have to take your time so that you don't lose your camper, and have a lot of patience, good communication with your partner. If you're doing it yourself, you're just going to have to get in and out quite a lot of times. So this is what our problem is because we are on such a slope. This part is hitting, the other side is not. But we got her off, so we got to be able to get her back on.
Oh, here a little.
Yep. Okay. For the third time. Go ahead. Whoa! You're on. It's a little dark in here. It is this clock right?
It is 6 o'clock at night.
6 o'clock. I had to run and do some errands. Scotty had to get some things packed away. And now we're going to go out and spend a couple days with my mom and dad. I don't know why you guys are zooming in and out. I don't know if you guys can tell it's doing that, but it is. Anyways, we're going to go out and spend a couple days with my mom and dad out on the Hood Canal. And then we will get this journey started. So we'll show you guys a little bit of where we're going. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Always a late night start.
Yeah. All right, buckle up.
Let's go.
We're heading now. gorgeous or what? So this is the Canal. And let's see. This right here, that is called the Brothers. And that is the Olympic Mountain Range. And right down there, let me see if I can show you. There's some lights down there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. That is Sub-Base Bangor. And once in a while, if we get really lucky, the subs come through here. And it's really fun to watch them. They come out here and do maneuvers. Oh, there's two eagles right there, flying out there. They've got, let me get this back off zoom. They've got eagles that nest up here in this tree. So every once in a while we'll see eagles coming through here. Anyways, we are at a house that is not too far from our house. We're about 30 minutes away from our house. My mom and dad are house sitting, and they are out here for about a month, and we get lucky enough to be able to come out and visit with them out here. The owners of the house are really, really sweet. They actually, back when we had our renewal, Scotty and I, they let us come out here and take pictures for our renewal wedding. But so pretty out here. We're gonna come down here and get some oysters. This is just a great place to get oysters. They're we like to get the storm oysters that come up along the shoreline here, but we haven't had any real good storms, so there's none of those right now. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this morning what I was seeing. All right, we are having a family dinner. My sister's
delicious.
making mushrooms. Kimmy, what are you making?
Some portobello mushrooms.
Ooh, yum.
And
then in there, and what's in here?
Potatoes.
Oh, potatoes.
Yeah.
Where's the oysters?
We haven't cooked.
Oh.
I won't have any trouble.
So my family's all gotten together since we're leaving soon, and they decided to make a dinner. So I don't have to cook tonight.
It's mushroom. It's mushroom soup.
Oh, look at these. Holy cow.
The mushroom soup I grew up with.
Fresh oysters.
Uh-huh.
Why not?
All right, my little sister just got here. Look at what she brought. Are these not the cutest? Oh my gosh, like little candles, ghost. What else is on there, Sarah?
Spider.
Oh, that should be Scotty's. Oh, Ouija board. Wow. Where did you get these?
Got them at Bella Bella
Oh, this is, yep,
in
Bella Bella.
Silverdale.
Very, very good place to pick up cupcakes. They
Numerous.
have other stuff down there too, don't they, these days?
Yeah, they have a couple of things.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you, Sarah.
They have numerous flavors.
Oh, do you know all the flavors?
Sour apple,
Okay.
peanut butter cup, Snickers, Three Musketeers. Not sure what that
It's
one
green.
is.
I can see it's green.
I think it's candy. It's caramel apple.
Ooh, yum.
Oreo, salted caramel, pumpkin spice, vanilla, chocolate, red velvet, and I think that's the caramel apple one.
Oh, yep. That would be the one I'm taking. Red velvet.
Joseph said he.
Of course, because he's my
said
son.
it's
He loves
pretty.
that. What else was there?
He said it's pretty.
Oh.
This is the caramel apple. I'm not sure what that one is.
Okay.
I know one of them sour apple.
Maybe Joey will share with me.
He said to split
know.
them in quarters. If
Yeah, that's
he
what
said,
we did at my
"Don't
birthday
bring-"
when we had.
He said, "Don't let my mom see those."
Because he knows I'll take that one. Thank you for bringing those. Yum.
Yum.
All right, guys, we are getting ready to eat dinner. It's been a lot of fun here. Spending the last couple days with my mom and dad. And all my sisters are here. My son's here. We're missing one family member, which is kind of sad, but that's okay. Maybe next year. My brother-in-law is here. You can see him, that's Bob.
He'll know now.
He's over there talking to somebody. It's really loud in here. So let's see, we're having steak and salad, and Joey made potatoes. I've already devoured the oysters. That was so yummy. If you like oysters, I'll tell you what, the Canal has the best oysters around. Anyways, we're gonna have dinner. I'm gonna finish out the evening visiting with my mom and dad and my sisters. And see you guys on the road.